and gentlemen, I am delighted to be part of this morning and to welcome you, of course, to the Huawei Developer Day.
We got to find out all about the HMS core and the vision of the future from Huawei itself.
We don't always see these things in the news or read about it, so it's great to get first-hand experience.
Awesome, they're actually pushing the actual OS market, so I'm really excited to see what they can actually bring to the table.
We learned a lot about HMS and the systems Huawei is providing us.
I think it helps devs come together, figure things out, learn new things. I think it's very helpful.
Right now we're busy with the code labs where developers are fixing an app that we broke.
It's really helpful for us to get to know all of their coding styles and kits, and very informative. So yeah, let's do more of that.
Thanks to Huawei for going through all the effort of setting everything up.
I'd like to thank Huawei for a fantastic event. I think everyone has gotten a great amount of value and also taken a lot of vision that they have for the future.